dropped this floor 2.5 years ago, but the client cracked their shower tray. They were asked if we could come back and do a redesign and a repair. So we simply just come back, sanded the floor, prepped the floor, took the silicone away, sanded it down, day and a half turnaround.